So we just finished grabbing all the snacks. We snuck in there.
Bro,
So,
Maya!
oh my god, Maya, you finna be the opener. Jake, go! Who cares? Sit there real quick.
Should we do it down here?
Yeah.
Such as much like more space.
No, because we almost died.
Nah, I'm doing it. Let's do it down here. Yeah.
Did we almost die?
Yes, but help me.
It's more space down here to do the party.
Well, I'm scared, y'all.
Maya, come here. I just want to shut the door.
Oh, who did this?
Can't even shut the door.
Samaya.
Y'all, we have to clean this up.
No, it's not working.
Just pull it down. Come here, pull. Wait, do you put the book back?
Yes. Yo, this door don't want to close. Something right there.
Oh, right there. That's why. The problem.
Yo, I'm
Don't
scared.
break the toy.
If I break a leg, I'm gonna slap everybody.
Not the Barbie.
Oh my god. The problem.
Come on, baby. I got you. Oh my god. Too much. Okay, do you do it? Come, I'm walking.
I'm gonna slap y'all.
So we gonna sleep in here? Yeah. We don't that on the top or the bottom? Yeah.
We just snuck some snacks,
I'm not
y'all.
sleeping on
Watch
top.
for part 2
I'm sleeping
for us to
on
eat the food.
Yeah.